Question 1. The Hamiltonian of a system of n non-interacting particles, each of mass m in one dimension is h equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy, where lambda is greater than 0, is a constant, and pi and xi are the momentum and position respectively of the ith particle. The average internal energy of the system is option A 4 by 3 kBt, option B 3 by 4 kBt, option C 3 by 2 kBt, option D 1 by 3 kBt. Solution. The Hamiltonian is this, and the average kinetic energy of the system is equal to half kBt, and the average potential energy of the ith particle is 1 by 4 kBt. So the average internal energy of the ith particle equals to half kBt plus 1 by 4 kBt equal to 3 by 4 kBt. Remember the formula how to calculate this integral. So formula is integration over 0 to infinity exponential minus alpha x power n x power m dx equal to 1 by n gamma m plus 1 over n upon L alpha over m plus 1 upon n. Alpha is greater than equal to 0. Question 2. The Hamiltonian of a system of free spin is H equals to J bracket S1 S2 plus S2 S3, where Si equals to plus minus 1 for I equals to 1 2 3. Its canonical partition function at temperature T is option A, option B, option C, or option D. Solution. The number of states of the system equals to 2 power 3 equals to 8, because each spin have two values, so total states are equals to 2 into 2 into 2. They write down Hamiltonian again, and the energy eigenvalues of the system are minus 2j, 0, plus 2j, and each minus 2j eigenvalue have degeneracy 2, 0 eigenvalue have degeneracy 4, plus 2j eigenvalue have degeneracy 2. You can see in the table. Now the partition function z equals to summation over n equals to 1 to 3, where n indices indicate the energy eigenvalue, how many energy eigenvalues. Gn is degeneracy of eigenvalues, energy eigenvalues, exponential minus beta En. So above the system can be written as partition function written as z equal to 4 plus 2 exponential minus beta minus 2j plus 2e minus beta 2j equal to 4 plus 2 bracket exponential minus 2 beta j plus exponential 2 beta j. And this exponential summation can be written as hyperbolic function. So we rearrange and write it in terms of compact form. So the partition function of the system z equals to 2 cos hyperbolic j over kBt square. Question 3. Let n denote the energy eigenstate of a particle in a one-dimensional simple harmonic potential Vx equals to half of m omega square x square. If the particle is initially prepared in the state psi t equals to 0 equals to half square root 2 bracket 1 0 plus 1 state. The minimum time after which the oscillator will be found in the same state is option A 3 pi by 2 omega, option B pi by omega, option C pi by 2 omega, or option D 2 pi by omega. Solution. Energy eigenvalues En can be written as half plus n h cross omega, where n goes 0 to infinity. So the initial state is given psi at t equals to 0 equals to 1 over root 2 bracket cat 0 plus cat 1, and at time t the state can be written as psi t cat equals to unitary time evolution operator psi at t equals to 0 cat equals to exponential minus iota ht upon h cross on it will be applied on the initial state. So we get this. Now in case of same state, the probability of the finding the particle in the same state will be 1. So we using this formula we can calculate the time minimum time for which we found the particle in the same state. Question 4. An angular momentum eigenstates cat j 0 is rotated by an infinitesimally small angle epsilon about the positive y-axis in the counterclockwise direction. The rotated state to order epsilon up to a normalization constant is. The rotation operator about y-axis can be written as u r by omega, where r denotes the rotation equals to exponential minus iota epsilon j y upon h cross equals to order to epsilon. So we can extend Taylor series equals to I is unitary identity operator. So jy can be written as j plus minus j minus upon 2i, where ji or gi operator lowering and raising operator. So we extend it. Now we applied this unitary operator on the initial state or g cat 0. So you can see. So the answer is B. Or you can also remember the j plus minus raising lowering operator on the angular state equals to h cross square root j plus 1 minus m minus plus 1.